Hey guys, so I ordered a dual RO system from Pure Water Power. I wanted a DIY kit so I can make my own cart. I had a specific idea in mind and it seems to have worked out. I bought a magliner hand truck and I was able to basically screw everything to it. Got just kind of a walk around here so you can see how it looks finished. Pure Water Power sends you the ROs, carbon, sediment, DI, all the hoses, all the fittings, although a few were missing, but managed to make it work. I was able to attach the ROs to the cart with these holders for the ROs that they give you, which is cool. I had the bungees on here just so that when I lean it back to put it in my truck so that the filters don't touch the ground. And actually they weren't touching the ground before, but I just figured over time it was going to start to happen. So it's pretty cool. I don't knock CWC for charging whatever they do for a cart. I think it's like an extra $1,000 because it's all finished and nice. But for a couple $100, I was able to make this. So pretty stoked on that. And yeah, purifies way better than my old system. Had the shorter ROs before, so now with the two large ROs, I'm hoping to run 2 poles. And if you want to do it, you can do it yourself. I mean, just with a little bit of ingenuity, a little bit of mechanical expertise, you're able to put this together. It could definitely work out for you in your window cleaning business. Make it so you don't have to keep going up on ladders. You just don't have to do that anymore. So then just have a hose reel going out off of your DI. You can see right here where it goes into the DI filter. They've labeled it DI filter for you. It's nice. That's where it comes out, and you just run to your hose reels, 1 or 2, however you're using it, and you can easily set up your own DIY Pure Water window cleaning cart.